Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to merge Drive C with Drive D. Help increase Drive C storage. First, right-click on this PC. Select Manage. Select Disk Management. You can merge the entire Drive D into Drive C. Or split Drive D and then merge it into Drive C. In this video, I'll split Drive D and then merge it into Drive C. For those who want to merge the entire Drive D, then you just need to delete Drive D. Here, I'll split it instead. Right-click on Drive D. Select Shrink Volume. I'll split it in half. This line shows the maximum amount of space we can split. My maximum is 40 gigabytes, so I'll split it in half 20 gigabytes. Select Shrink. Now I've successfully split Drive D into two separate drives. If you have important data, copy it from Drive D to the newly split drive. Right-click on the newly created drive. Select New Simple Volume. Select Next. Select Next. Select Next. Select Next. Select Finish. Now, to merge Drive D with Drive C, we need to delete Drive D. Right-click on Drive D. Select Delete Volume. Select Yes. Now, to merge Drive C with Drive D, right-click on Drive C. Select Extend Volume. Select Next. Select Next. Select Finish. That's how we merge 20 gigabytes from Drive D into Drive C. Drive C has increased from 116 gigabytes to 140 gigabytes. I'll go back to check. I'll refresh it now. And Drive C has increased to 140 gigabytes. That's how I've shown you how to merge Drive C with Drive D to increase the storage space of Drive C. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to give me a like, a share, and a subscription would mean a lot. Thank you all so much.